Hello guys, so today I'm gonna play Rivals RNG mode with my brother, but there's a twist in this. We roll the thing, but our opponent tells that we have to keep that or not. I did same thing with Sahil Gamers 25, and now today this me and my brother is gonna do
And
it.
I am with him today.
Yup. So we collabed in this video with our voice.
And we can only say to our opponent to roll only for 2 times, not more than that.
Yup. Cause the third roll we can keep it.
Yeah.
Bro, come quickly. I don't want to crop anything. 3 राउंड रखते हैं.
Let's go random.
Okay.
Bro.
Oh, this map is so bad.
Okay, first wait. My weapon
I
is
got
Exo gun.
crossbow. I got crossbow.
You can roll.
You
And
you
can
need
I keep it, please?
no. You need to roll.
Okay.
I got your favorite balls.
Roll.
Hey.
Can I keep description?
Nope. What you got? Chainsaw.
Bro.
Keep. I got this. My auto is on my bed.
Bro. You got revolver. I like it.
Guys, my bad. My auto was on. My bad.
I got handgun.
Keep it. Assault.
Roll.
Scythe.
Keep.
Where are you?
I am in lava. Stay away from me. Come on. You are low, I think. You are very low.
Very low.
No. Die. Bro.
Lol. Bro, lol. That's kind of good. Yup. So guys, we will only do 3. You
got
heard it.
fight.
Keep it. And you also know what I got. Sniper.
Roll, of course. No, keep it.
I rolled sniper. Keep. Knife.
Knife. Roll.
And sniper.
Keep sniper.
Okay. Come. No, my bad.
You are trying to do no scope, but you are bad. Come on. Have I damaged you once?
Nope.
Bro. This side is so bad.
Bro, I killed you with that.
Bro, I'm not getting any damage. How is this possible? Okay.
Go.
Damaged you finally.
No. I'm 1 HP. I'm 1 hit.
I hit.
Now we 1 hit.
Let's go.
Bro, I was no scoping. GG's. First to get 2 points wins. Cause it's best of 3. Energy
I got
pistols.
mall.
Keep it. I got energy pistols.
Roll.
Sekte chal.
And keep.
Come.
Section, baby.
Bro, if I miss one of it, I could just die.
You are dead. Because there is infinity time. And you can't kill me with such
Yes.
So just die.
No.
Don't waste time. Okay, you are not gonna kill me. No. How many do you have left?
2.
Okay, try to kill me then. Okay, come. Throw your
Come.
structure. Okay, and you are dead because you don't have any left and it only damages 50. So just die. Go in lava. Don't waste time. Okay, let me kill you. Just stay AFK. Don't waste time. There is absolutely time. Go, don't cheat. Just die. Just die in lava. Don't hit me. If you hit me, then you are disqualified.
My bad. Sorry, sorry. You
Okay.
could win a free
It's
round.
2-2. If I win 4 rounds, then I won.
No, no. It's
It's 2-2 now.
3-2,
Right now.
3-2.
It's 2-2.
3-2.
How did so your win won't count?
So, yup, I'm dying for you.
Okay, done.
Yup, now it's equal.
Okay.
Sorry, guys, my bad. I thought he would not die. He was just standing there.
I got Maul again.
Warhorn.
Keep it.
Roll.
Roll. Die again.
Roll.
Okay. I got Satchel.
Keep.
Good. You can't use grenade launcher.
I know I am just doing time pass. Bro, come quickly. Use all of them. And if you use 3 of your that Sekte Chals, then you need to die. Cause you got damaging weapon and I didn't. Just die already, man, now.
Bro. Bro.
So now you need to die. Bro, you are cheat. Now you need to
Okay,
die.
I will die. Wait.
Cause you got damaging weapon and I didn't. Be quick, be quick, be quick. We need to do it faster.
Okay.
Let's go. I hope
I
it
got
shotgun.
Knife.
Shotgun.
Roll. And should I keep it or roll it?
Knife. Keep.
Roll.
Bro, then you need to also. Let's do
Okay.
knife only.
No, roll.
Okay.
I got minigun.
Roll. Same minigun.
Okay, you have to keep it. And I'm rolling. I got gun blade.
Keep it.
Okay, I have to
Start.
Keep it. You can't use knife.
Bro, I'm doing for movement. Bro, don't do this. You will copyright me. Bro, I can't even climb. I need to equip this. Now you need to come closer to me.
I'm so low. I am 147.
Guys, I won 1 out of 3.
Rematch.
Yup.
And this time let's do random.
Bro, let's do legacy dogs. Bro. Tell me I should keep or not. Travel.
Keep.
Katana keep.
Okay.
Let's do this.
I'm the only person who's using
I'm just spamming, bro.
I damaged you. How much was it? 75.
I don't know.
No, it was 45, bro.
And it was 50. So I told you to keep it. I knew it. And it was much faster.
I got
Grenade.
energy rifle.
GL.
Roll.
Roll. They both are very good for shot. What about distortion?
Distortion.
Roll. Riot.
Keep. And wait for mine. I got med kit.
Keep. So now you need to just die, man. Come here closer to me. Bro, please don't waste time. Please don't waste time.
Wait, let me use my med kit. Bro. My luck is so bad.
I got
I
permafrost.
got battle axe.
Keep permafrost.
Roll.
I need this potion.
Keep.
Okay. I hope you die from this.
No, I'm not dying, so stay FK, it's over. Don't waste time.
How much damage did you get from it?
50,
1-5 or 50?
50.
50?
Now stay FK, don't waste time.
Bro, I can use this one more time.
Okay, so use it.
And there's infinite time, man.
So bro, your video will get long.
But I can kill you.
Okay, so kill me.
And I also got heal.
Okay,
How much did you get?
I maxed out. I also got heal from you.
Nah, you can't.
I did
How
use
much HP is your right now?
50 and you can't use anymore. Oh, you can.
Yup, I can. It's infinite. No. Nope. Let me go. Let me run. Bro, you missed.
My damage being one more. No.
Die. Let's
You
go.
haven't shot, bro.
I won. Bro, it was too OP. Bro, it was so easy for you to kill me.
Bro.
I got Dropstone.
I got subs PMs priming basically mine.
You could keep it. And what about me?
You can also keep.
Bro, what the heck? You just placed both of them.
Bro. So what should we do? I think
I gave you 1 damage, so now you need to die. 149 and I am full 150.
So what? We both should roll.
Yup, but I
And
gave you.
whatever we get, we have to keep it.
Bro, but I will kill you. See 149 your
So
HP.
there will be people.
Bro, this is minigun. Spear,
Yeah.
keep it. Minigun.
Keep, you have to keep it. Yeah. Bro.
Hey,
My luck is
guys,
so bad.
if I win this, the video is ending.
But we will still do 3 matches. I got assault rifle. I mean, just joking, I got balls.
Roll it. Revolver.
Crossbow.
Keep it. And the revolver. Bro,
Arey, sorry.
let me do 75 then to you.
Hey, Yan
Done.
70, you cheater. Okay, you can roll revolver.
Knife.
Okay.
Keep it.
Yeah, you have to keep it. 2 rolls are done.
Bro, where the heck are you? Bro, your auto is on.
So what? I am very pro. Let's go.
Bro, your his auto is on.
Nice.
He's so bad cheater.
But we will still complete 3 matches for fun. I got flamethrower.
Roll balls.
Roll. I got medkit.
Energy pistols. Keep it.
Roll.
You can keep it.
Roll. Grappler.
Sorry.
We both have to roll. No. Okay. And whatever we get, we have to keep. I got sight.
Shorty,
Good.
you are cooked. Can I use this?
What?
No, we can't use this.
We both have to use the last weapon we got.
Bro, you just came straight into my face, man. So guys, as you know guys, I won this challenge already.